If the second charge is as unjustified as the first, aren't you concerned they may add on a third one to keep him in incarceration until the authorities, the power changes in next elections?
Absolutely.
They're in Disneyland.
The prosecution is in Disneyland. They can take any ride. There's no limit to their imagination. And it is I want to say this, it is one of the great privileges of my life to represent Mr. Karapetyan. And it is also a great privilege to work with a supporter of the Armenian Apostolic Church, which has such a unique history, both with respect to children of Christ and the history of the Armenian people. I have represented churches, off and on, the Orthodox Church, all my career, at different times. And I think part of what I find so upsetting about this case it is that it's a personal attack on a man who was commemorating the death of a parent. And to me, this defies all sensibilities. It's almost unimaginable. And I have no words to express my disdain for charges to be brought at such a time. Let alone that they are completely absent of any possibility that they were intended to relate to the overthrow of the government.
Նույնիսկ հնարավորությունը մեկնաբանելու այդ խոսքերը այնց ոնց որ դա ներկայացվում է որպես իշխանություն տապալելու կոչ ոչ թե հերավոր է, այլ ընդհանրապես բացակայ է այդ հավանականությունը.
Study history.
Պատմություն ուսումնասիրեք.
This man was with his family mourning his father.
Այս մարդը իր ընտանիքի հետ հոր կորուստն էր սգում.
When people want to support a coup,
Երբ որ մարդիկ ուզում են հեղաշրջում օրինակ
they're in front of thousands of supporters,
հազարավոր մարդկանց առջև են ելույթ ունենում
stirring them with passion.
Կրկոտ ելույթներ ունենալով
This is ridiculous.
Իսկ սա ծիծաղելի է պարզապես.